Mr. Squirrel's eating all of the bird food. Why don't you go back to the backyard and eat the squirrel food that you have? You got all these birds that are hungry, and you're eating all their food. Trying to hide from me? I see you. Hi. See, all these birdies are waiting to use that bird feeder and you're hogging it. Sorry, birdies. Are you mad at me? Why are you mad at me? I didn't do anything. I feed you in the backyard. I could grab you right now if I wanted to and take you in the backyard. Would you like that? You better keep feeding your face. Oh, you big baby. You trying to hide? Come on, Mr. Squirrel. You've had your turn. You gonna let these birdies eat? Hmm? You think I can't see you? I could touch you. Get the camera right in front of you and you don't care, do you? Jeez, Mr. Squirrel. Can you go back into the backyard, please? What a whiny, crying baby. Come on, little buddy. See, all these birdies are patiently waiting for you to move. You big fatty. Come on, buddy. You ready to move along? Oh, are you mad at me? I didn't do anything. You look like you're shivering. Are you scared? Pull your tail and then you'd get a big surprise. Hi. Hi, buddy. Yeah, we got a hummingbird. Here comes a hummingbird. Hello, Hummer. Yeah, I hear ya. Hey. See? You got birds landing on the feeder with you on it. You're a hog. Come on, Mr. Squirrel, you've had your turn. You're eating up all those seeds. Come on, buddy. Come on. Who are you, big baby? Hello, buddy. Oh, jeez. I should pull your tail. I don't think you'd like that very much, would you? Are you cold? You look like you're shivering. Come on. You're a feeder hog. Look how big you are. Come on. Jeez. You goofball. Come on. Oh, you're gonna come after me? Why? You're shivering.